Oh look, it's a bunch of shapes. I know, identifying a screwdriver and a hammer is a massive intellectual hurdle for you, but try to keep up. Don't lose the parts, though I'm sure you will. First step, and you're already holding the piece wrong. Put the cam locks in the holes. Yes, the holes. It's not a decoration, it's a locking mechanism. Don't force it like you force everything else in your life. Screw in the metal pins. Don't cross-thread them. I can literally hear you stripping the soft particle board from here. Gentle, for once in your life. Look, we're actually building something. Try not to snap the wooden dowels while you panic. If it doesn't fit, it's because you're doing it wrong, not because the Swedish engineering failed you. Turn the lock. Clockwise, genius. If you snap the head off the cam, you're officially barred from furniture assembly for the rest of your natural life. Slide the flimsy back panel into the groove. It's supposed to be flimsy, just like your resolve. Don't bend it. Don't break it. Just slide it. Put the top piece on. It should slide over the pins. If it's wobbling, check if you put the shelves on upside down. Knowing you, that's a 50-50 shot. 12 pegs. You have 12 holes to choose from. Try to get them level, or your books will look as crooked as your decision-making skills. Safety first, because I know you're clumsy enough to tip this over on yourself. Drill the holes, insert the plugs, screw it to the wall. It's for your own good. Cover the screws with the little plastic caps. Hide the evidence of your struggle. You're done, and you didn't even burn the house down. Maybe there's hope for you after all.